This is Jimmy's i40. Unfortunately, he did not realize that the installer that he had got was not confident. Let's go and have a look and see how bad this is. Ah, yummy. So, it is Phattman and Bobbins to the rescue. Bring it. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. 8 gauge to, yep. I might call Trav and see if I can get a new harness for this H8. Like, the constant pin just fell out of it for a start. He obviously got polarities wrong because he's chopped it about 1 inch from the plug and swapped polarities. I think I'm gonna get a new harness.
After seeing shit that bad, your bad was actually good.
Yep, good to see they only pinched 2-channel input as well. Oh, they were working, but there was no fader. Hard. Like, really hard. It just keeps getting better. Man, some people should not be allowed to install. I know it's a little bit different in the States, where guys actually need to have, you know, accreditation and qualification to be able to work on cars. Here in Oz, if you say you can do it, you're allowed to do it. Doesn't mean they should be, but they're allowed to, and they get away with it somehow. Make no sense to me. Hey Sam, even the RCAs have been cut and joined. Okay, well, that still needs more cleaning up, but where'd my 10 mil go? There it is. All right, we'll get this factory amp out. Because that looks like a lovely mounting platform for a H8. That looks like a lovely mounting platform. I think the H8 is going to fit amazingly well into there. Yes, yes it is. Cool. Looks like we've got a sneaky 12 hiding. That was a sneaky 12. Oh yeah, love that ground. That's a lovely ground. What's the bet? Yep. Surprise, surprise. Yep. we can actually get all of this crap out. Oh, wow. Huh. Uh-huh. Just when you think, how bad can it get? Just when I thought we were getting close to the end of the bullshit, just how people can do this and think that it's fine